Every day, everyone tries to serve other people in one way or the other for exchange of money in order for them to survive. So, as a result of this act on a daily basis in our society, to and fro, then some people get questions to ask about this. And one of the questions is, what is branding and marketing? Sure, there are distinctions between these two terminologies. As an entrepreneur, your job is to know the two of them. So in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between marketing and branding and how you can create or get a brand for your products or service, and also how you can market it in this year and beyond. As an entrepreneur, your job is to put more values or put more effort towards that give you profit, towards that bring food on your table. So without wasting off much of your time, now let's get started. The truth is that branding is what that everyone in the society is involved. The only set of people that are not involved these terminologies, that is branding and marketing, are those whose bills are paid by other people or who don't get bills at all. If you are a human being and you get bills because you must give a shelter to yourself or your family members or the person that is depending on you, like your child, your wife, your girlfriend, you must provide food for yourself and others, like your family members, your parents, your wife, your girlfriend, your child, etc. Then you must take full responsibility of yourself. What are you good at? What is your service? What can you deliver to other people that other people can pay you for? What product do you have to sell? In business, we call branding as a thing that you offer to other people in a positive way, which improve other people's life or do their thing easy and faster. So anything that you do that affects other people or offend your customers is not a brand. You need to amend it, you need to change it. As a matter of fact, a brand owners are somebody's that want their customers to share or tell about their brand to other people so that other people can also tell their friends, their family members about this brand, about this product or services. If your brand is not shareable, you don't like other people to know what you are doing, to know what you sell, to know the products or the services you deliver to the marketplace, then your brand is not good enough to be sold or to be brought to the marketplace for people to buy or use. You should first of all offer what you are doing to your friends, to your family members. Let your friends taste it first before you deliver it to the marketplace. Back then, not long ago, I have a friend who told me that he wants to start one business about restaurant, about cooking. I advised him that he should first of all try to cook for his family members, for his friends first. Try to cook, to prepare a food and bring it to them. After they have eaten it, ask them, is it good? Does it taste very well? Does it taste sweetly? Ask them if they approve that it's very good, it's very nice. Then before you go and open a restaurant, do not just go and get a business certificate for it first before you start selling, because at the end of the day, people may not like your products, people may not like your food. Hence, every effort you put to get a certificate for your business will be in vain. So do not do your brand like that. That is why I created this video, to show you how you can get a brand for your product and also how you can market it. We are in the 21st century now. The thing that other people do to market their products or services in the olden days do not help anymore. So the method have changed. So as an entrepreneur, your own job is to find out the methods that are presently working And this is what I am going to unveil to you in this video today. So without wasting much time, as I always say, let us even know the meaning of branding. Branding, in a short way, means anything that you do on a regular basis which people know you for in a positive way. However, branding can also mean negative branding and positive branding. Negative branding is the one that you offer to other people whereby the people which you offer this to are not happy at all. That one is a negative branding and you need to change it. You need to stop it at all, because at the end of the day, it can cause customers from not buying from you, as your job is to make an improvement to what you are already doing. The products the product which you already have, add more value to it so that it can market itself. Because in business, anything that you do that improve people's life will tend to market itself automatically. The people that buy your product will promote it, they will tell their friend will tell their friends, then it will be circulated in the marketplace. So the negative brand, on the other hand, can be changed. Do not produce it anymore. And the best part to prevent yourself from delivering or offering a negative brand is to offer it first to your friend member or your family members in the first place, like I explained in this video above. So marketing, on the other hand, is the process of finding the people who are in need of your brand. You can use word of mouth, you can use advertisement to know the people that are in need of what you are really selling or delivering. If you really want to promote your brand faster, then you should get an online presence like a website for it, and also guide people on your website, on your blog or sub website page. That means you should create a blog section that describe about your products, that show people about your services, so that people cannot think that your service will not help them in the future. Give them the insight about your product or services by blogging. Through blogging, you can win your customers' mind. That way, that means by getting websites, then thousands of people can know what you are really selling, can know about your brand without asking you one-on-one. So because you will be getting tired at any time by answering people's questions, what does your brand really about? Please explain to me. I want to buy. Please explain to me, what is the value of your service? After I buy your product, will it solve my problem? After I buy your service, will it help me in this way or the other? People will be asking you these questions. So the other best way to prevent this from happening is to get a website or a blog for it. My team and I are here to help you get a website or an online presence for your brand step by step. Please check the description of this video for more information about this. Now another question has come, which is how to get a brand or create a brand for your product or services. To get a brand for your product or services, there are 6 or 7 steps involved, and these steps are: step number 1, readily make sure that your product or services are available before you start selling it in the marketplace or telling your friends, your family members about it. Make sure that one or more of your product or services are readily available, so that the person you are meeting in the first place to test it for you, to use it for you, can actually use it and give you accurate information or accurate results. That means he or she should give you go ahead before you know that your product or service is authentic to get a brand for it. Step number 2, get an online presence like a website or blog, like I just said. If you are a service owner That means you are a web developer or a web designer. This is a service. It's not a product. People cannot see website design face to face. Your skill is a service. Then how can you deliver it? How can you brand it? Create a website about your brand, about your service, so that you showcase your portfolio, the websites you have developed in the past, how you develop them, the tools you use to develop, the steps you use to develop websites, so that other people can know that you are truly a professional web designer or web developer. Any product you deliver, make sure you get an online presence like website or blog about it. Step number 3, create a social media account for your brand. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Make sure that you get a social media account for your brand. Step number 4, collect email addresses of your customers or the people who can become a potential customers of your brand in the future, so that you use these email addresses to do email marketing. For more information on how to do email marketing, check the description of this video below. Step number 5, create blog posts about a particular topic that relates to your brand on a regular basis. Step number 6, create helpful video content to guide people, to guide your customers on how to use your products or services. You can create a YouTube channel, TikTok channel, Snapchat channel to guide people how to use your product, how to use your service, and also how to contact you. Step number 7, let your customers give you reviews. The best way to do this is to create a Google My Business profile account for your business specifically, and get a review link and share it on your social media where your customers are, the people that your brand have previously helped before. Let them give you a review, like 5-star review, 4-star review, and let them indicate what you had really helped them with your brand, with your product, with your services. These are the steps to create or get a brand for your product and how you can market it. One thing that some people don't understand is the distinction between services and products. Yes, services and products, there are two terminologies. There are different two terminologies. One, that is products, is what you can see, is what you can touch, and what you can feel. For example, service is an abstract. You cannot see it, but you can feel it when it is delivered by a professional. For example, products can be seen like shirt, laptop, phone, car, motorcycle, or anything that you can see, you can touch, you can feel in the life, is what we call products. Your job as an entrepreneur is to gather one tool or the other, one product or the other, to make it a bigger product or a useful product. For example, motor, car, they use iron, they use tires, they use different things to create it. Motor is a product. You can go to the showroom and see them physically, you can touch them, you can test them around, and when you buy it, they'll deliver it to your house, or you buy it and drive it to your house. While services, on the other hand, cannot be seen, but once it is delivering, you can feel it. You can know that someone is delivering services. For example, teaching services is one of the examples of services. Okay, because when teacher has started teaching, you can feel that someone is teaching. You can feel it. They can teach you how to learn a language. They can teach you how to drive a car, but you can't see teaching itself, that this is this teaching that they have been talking. You can't see it. Your job as an entrepreneur, as a teacher, is to rebrand your teaching services. How people can know that you are a good teacher, you can teach in this field. This is your job. You have to package it. You have to change how you are teaching people. You have to change the method of your teaching so that people can know that if they become your student, they can learn anything, or they can learn what you are teaching from you in a professional way, and they can become a master on their own in a short time. This is what we call entrepreneur. Entrepreneur deals with services and products. And under services, tools get involved. Tools is a service. For example, software is a tool. You cannot see it. You cannot see this is a software, but you can feel it. If you are using it, you can feel it, but you can't deliver it from one location to another. Like Facebook, you can't say that Facebook is traveling to Nigeria or is traveling to other country. With your phone, with your system, you can use Facebook because it's a software, it's a tool, it's a service, it's not a product. So if you understand that, this video has helped you know the meaning of branding and marketing, and also how you can get a brand for your product or services and market your product or service, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please give it a thumbs up by clicking the like icon displayed beside this video you are presently watching if you are on YouTube, and also comment with any question, because I like to answer to questions in the comment section about this particular topic. I will be glad to follow up with you. Thank you for watching.